Hey guys, check out what I found. This is super cool. Look at this little guy. Look how small it is. It's barely longer than a tall boy. This is the Black & Decker Workmate Hobbycrafter. It does everything that a regular Workmate does, except it's smaller, and it's a ball vise. Now, normally, balls and vices should never be combined, but this time it's okay. Look at that. It swivels. Very cool. It doesn't swivel to every possible angle, but pretty much any angle that you could want, you can swivel it to. And then just flip this lever down here, and it's locked in that position. Very, very cool. You have independent control of each side of the jaws, just like on a full-size Workmate. It is flopping around a little bit, isn't it? That's annoying. It's not cool, but we'll try and figure that out later. I mean, it is pretty much all plastic construction, except for the lead screws and the jaw caps. But it's a relatively thick plastic. It's almost like a 1/4 inch thick. So that is cool, I guess. The bench dogs hold the jaw caps in place. Now, these bench dogs are quite different from traditional Workmate bench dogs. They each have a couple of bonus holes in them for some reason, along with a little rubberized grippy pad here. And their unique offset stepped shape gives you multiple clamping surfaces, so you can reposition the dogs to hold more oddly shaped objects, kinda turning this into a poor man's fractal vise. Also very cool. By removing the dogs, we can now remove the metal jaw caps. And look, it even has the little V-notch in it, like on the full-size Workmate. You can use this to hold on to round stock. Super cool. And if we go back to the metal jaw caps, oh look, there's a rubber insert here. So if you wanted to, you could omit the metal caps and just use the rubber insert to get more grippy jaws. Also super cool. According to this Weebly website I found, which is also extremely cool, I'll put a link to it in the video description, they have like every model of Workmate ever produced documented. So the Workmate Hobbycrafter was made from 1980 to 85, kinda short-lived, and it looks like it retailed for under $20. Designed for lightweight projects, painting, crafts, and soldering. Huh. Oh, I see. Those bonus holes on the bench dogs? Those are intended for alligator clips. That means you can use this guy as a third hand for soldering wire. This just keeps getting more and more cool. Except it just keeps flopping around every time I try and adjust the jaws. This is seriously degrading my cool. This thing really needs a weighted base, kind of like on the Panavice, or some way to secure it down to the workbench. Going back to that ad from 1980, it looks like there's supposed to be a metal clamp thingy that secures it to the edge of your workbench, which unfortunately is missing from my unit. This sucks. I really wanted this to be cool, but it's totally not cool when it's flopping around. I wonder. I do have a full-size Workmate right here, which is designed for clamping stuff. Yeah, we'll clamp a Workmate inside of another Workmate. It'll be like Workmate Inception. Workmate-ception? I don't know, but it works. Look at that. Cool level restored. Alright, everybody. Be sure you're subscribed for more unusual tools. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.